What up, breadies? Grab something to draw with and a piece of paper. We're gonna do cherries. Super fun and super easy. Let's get started. All right, breadies, 2 cherries. So basically 2 circles. We get to practice our circles. And don't be afraid. Circles do not have to be perfect, breadies. Let's try our best. Ready? 1 circle. It's okay if it's not perfect. And then 2 circles. And they can kind of overlap. Just like that. Perfect, breadies. I'm not so proud, but guess what? They can't be perfect, and we're just having fun. Do a smile line. And a smile line. Nice. All right, now we're gonna do a line that is like the little cherry branches, and they're gonna connect at the top. Ready? So go to the middle of your smile line and just do a curved line. And then same thing here, connect it to that. Curved line to there. So easy. All right, breadies, now we're gonna do 2 leaves. So how do we do leaves? Pretty simple. A big curved smile line, whoop. And a big other way line. It's like the opposite of a smile line, a frowny face. Then, just a line in the middle. Same thing on the other side. A big smiley face and a big frowny line face. And connect. And then a line. Easy, right, breadies? And then we're gonna show how they like connect right here. Just do a little bump. Boop. Perfect, breadies. All right, now we get to do fun, silly faces on our cherries. So what do you want to do? You guys know how I like to do my faces. So I'm gonna do some silly faces for you. Ready? Let's do... I always like my funny teeth like this. Watch this. It's like an upside down frown. And then 1 tooth missing. So easy, but it looks so good. Then with this one, I like to do the eyes that are like just simple plain circles, but they're like spread apart. So we'll do 1 there. 1 there, and then I give them these little eyelet thingies. It looks silly. All right, and then we'll put another tooth there, and then a little lip there. So cool. All right, breadies, and then for the other one, we'll do a happy guy. So that one's pissed, and then we'll do a happy one over here. Watch this. We'll do a line, and then an up for the top of his lip. We'll do a curved mouth. And then, you know, my teeth like this, boom, boom, boom. And then a tongue. And then color this in, breadies. Super fun, super easy. And then for these eyes, let's do just big, happy ones. With the black, like that. So big circles and then the black. So he's like smiling and he's like, ugh! Super easy and fun, breadies. All right, let's color together. So cherries obviously are what color, breadies? Red. Grab your red and let's color. Super fun and relaxing to color. And it brings our color and our drawings really together. Just makes it pop. Makes it look so good. And this one's so simple. We really just need 2 colors, right? Red and then green for our leaves. Perfect. And then the next one. This one's smiling and this guy's grumpy. I wonder if they're hanging out, if they change places. This guy's the grumpy one and that's the happy one. All right, Breadies, let's get a light pink for the tongue. Oh, this is almost like a peach. Still looks pretty good. And then we'll do like a bright green for the leaves. I'm missing my bright green. Oh, is that over here? It's in here. Whee! So fun and simple, Breadies. I hope you loved it. All done, Breadies. Check it out. Super fun and simple cherries. I hope you guys loved coloring with that. Little easy to do tutorial right there. Just real fun, real fast and easy. Coloring's always fun. It's always relaxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe and join me again tomorrow. I'll see you later, Breadies.